Mark from Mark Alexander Design. We are an Australian-made manufacturing designer. We get a lot of curved sofa lounge requests now. We basically ask for some photographs from inside the room of the home. Once we've obtained the floor plans from the client, we do graphics to work out what size the couch needs to be. Then we produce a full floor plan. Then we can mail that out to the client and also the sample fabrics are selected. We get a rough indication of what the client wants beforehand before we do this. You can see it's a bit like Da Vinci here. We've taken different shapes of the couch and then we cut it up into sections. So then by doing that, then we can work out the circumference of what we need to do and size of each part of a particular couch we need to make. It is quite a work of art, understanding how wide each section needs to be or not to be. We use a lot of construction ply, multi-grain ply, marine bending ply, and also a lot of hardwoods in certain sections. We put in the appropriate source of structural manufacturing material where we need to do it. Also, the angle of the couch is so paramount. We've got to get the right height of seat and depth. But you can certainly see how we can sort of then shape it into sections. I test for comfort the depth of angles of these particular items, so then I know in my mind, and I comfort test everything to sort of make sure it's right. It's so paramount that everything is comfortable for the client, sight unseen. Then we've also got to get the right angles in regard to the seating section. So the wrinkles and the padding is minimal and the section is beautifully spaced out. Truly an amazing piece of product. Stitching, elements and seams, how it goes from never meeting the client to into the house and space, perfectly fits, colour, fabric, everything. It's your home. You should sculpture it into your lounge room, into your walls. That can be done. That's what we do. Mark from Mark Alexander Design. Thank you.